everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Moto G phone. And this is easy. So you can see these volume buttons on the side. Just go to the volume down button and the power button when the phone is turned on. And let's hold this down now. And to hold this down for about 10 to 15 seconds, the phone is going to turn off and vibrate. Continue to hold it down. So you can see the screen is going to go off. Continue to hold it down and you should feel a little vibration. You can let go now. Use the volume down key and go on over to recovery mode and tap power. Now we're going to see no command. Hold down the power button and then tap volume up. Hold down power, tap volume up, and then we can go to the recovery screen here. Scroll line down with the volume key and go to wipe data factory reset. And then you have to do it one more time. So if you have a password, PIN, swipe pattern or something like that and you can't log in your phone, you can go ahead and just hard reset it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.